Hey, thanks for joining us for the market report for the week of November the 18th. Let's jump in. So market alerts this week. Basically, we've got seafood concerns. If we don't see some tariff changes before the first of the year, it's actually going to be a pretty big hit. We could look at up to 25% increase on prices out of seafood coming out of China. And then, of course, produce struggling a lot. So let's take a look. So in the poultry news, well, of course, the big poultry news for the week is what? Turkey, of course, because it's Thanksgiving. Pretty much all the rest of the proteins are sort of lagging behind this week. Dark meat is steady in the chicken market. Breasts are flat still, if not down a little bit. And wings have actually slowed a little bit in the last couple of weeks. So, still strong, of course, but not quite the incline that we were thinking we would see continually to the Super Bowl. So for the beef market, a little bit of a back burner as well in regards to the turkeys, which are getting all the play this week. So we've lost a little interest in the ribeyes this week, but that's probably not going to last. Tenders are a little flat. Grinds are definitely weak, but overall the beef market's pretty flat this week. Okay, so we've got the holiday seasons upon us now, and I've been mentioning before we've got a large demand for butter and for eggs, and eggs took a big jump this week. And of course, demand for milk is high and cream as well, so that has all moved up, and you'll probably see that continue to happen through the holidays. Okay, produce, that's where we got a lot of the issues. So of course, as we've all talked about and heard about, the hurricanes have been pretty rough on crops this year. In addition to that, we've got the changes in the growing regions. So California is basically winding down on a lot of their products that you'd see coming out of California, and we're looking to move to Yuma, Arizona. And that actually is a process. They actually have to completely break down all of the buildings and the machinery and move it from one spot to the other. And as you might imagine, when you're moving from one area to the other, you've got a length of time where you're running out of product from one spot and you haven't really gotten a full amount of product coming out of another region. So this is why we're having a lot of issues and pricing issues with things like tomatoes and peppers and snow peas and that sort of thing. Avocados, the good news is the strike has ended in Mexico, but we're still looking at probably another week or two at least before things will level off there and actually have real amounts of avocados in the market that make a difference. But again, most of this is a lot of these problems that we're finding, like cauliflower, broccoli, lettuces. Those are all because we're transitioning from California to Yuma, Arizona, where we can pull that product from. We're seeing some flooding with cabbage that's caused some issues. You're seeing a little bit things getting better a little bit with cilantro and with green onions, but still the markets are pretty tight there. So again, potato crop looks great, so there's the good news there. But produce, hopefully we'll see in the next couple of weeks here, things will level off a little bit. All right, so for other commodities, again, soybean crop it's fantastic this year. So prices should continue to go down. The harvest has been great. Pork market, again, pretty flat this week because, again, the turkey's what it's all about. Sugar prices should still be continuing to move down based on the record production. So there you go. That's the wrap for the week of November the 17th. Thank you for watching our video, and be sure to sign up at www.helpknx.com. That's Help Connects for your free job posting and job listings. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.